So now let's go to the next topic, which is upgrade. So once you set up your Netscaler, once you assign the Netscaler IP address, etc., the first thing what you have to do is you need to do the upgrade of your Netscaler. Okay, because by default Netscaler MPX, it may comes with old firmware, etc. But if you are going with the VPX, then you no need to worry because you can deploy the latest versions. But in MPX, etc., it comes with the old version of firmware, so you need to upgrade. So to know how to upgrade, so I included one lab, to do the upgrade. So some of the concept you need to know before you do the upgrade. So backup files, so you need to do the backup. Second one, if it is a VPX, take the snapshot from the hypervisor. And the third one is start the upgrade with the secondary appliance. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's see how to take the backup. So this is my Netscaler. The current build is 13.1.37.38. So I'm going to upgrade it with 13.1.42.47 so that my both Netscaler will have the same Netscaler version. Okay. So to do the backup, you can go to the system here. Under system, you can go to backup and you can click on backup option and you can give the name. I'm going to give full backup. Here we have two things, basic and full. Always keep full and then click on, maybe you can add the name or as a comment, for example today's date, so that you will get to know this is done on 2023 April 9th. Okay, click backup. So now this is having the backup. So always keep the backup locally on your device. Okay, do not keep it on the appliance, because if appliance is not coming up, there is no use of taking the backup. So always keep this backup on your local system or any shared drive which is highly available. So once backup is done, if it is a VPX appliance, you can take the snapshot. So you know the snapshot, how to take snapshot, right? Either Hyper-V, checkpoint, or if it is VMware, you need to take the snapshot so that you can revert back if there is a failure also. But in NPX, that option is not available. For that, you can take only backups. So once you have the backup, so now let's do one thing. Let's try to do the upgrade. Okay. So as I mentioned in the third point, start the upgrade with the secondary appliance. Since we haven't configured our HA, so just ignore this point. We'll discuss later once we have the HA. Okay. So now backup upgrade we can do two ways. Either we can do through the CLI, which is a command line, uh, or through the portal itself. So if you go here, you will have an option called system upgrade. Okay. So here you need to upload your firmware, which is you need to select a local, and then you need to take where you have kept your file. So this is my file, and then click open, and then you can click on upgrade. So this will upgrade your appliance. Or else what also you can do, you can put it to this appliance. For example, let's say I'm copying this. So you need to have a tool called uh, WinSCP. So let's open WinSCP, and we need to connect to our Netscaler, which is 192.168.135, NS root and password. Failed. Why? Because I entered the wrong password maybe. Go here. Sorry, it has to be. It was trying to connect on port 80, so that is not the right one. So 192.168.35 NS root. Okay, now we are connected to our appliance. So we need to go to our appliance. Sorry, we need to go somewhere war, I believe. So if okay, NS install. Okay, so I just confused about the path. So let's go to the antiseptics article and we'll see. Yes. Okay. CLI. So as I told, okay, so you need to go to the var and you need to go to the ns install and then you need to copy the build. Okay, so this is the same procedure. Also somebody mentioned. So if you go, so let's copy our build. So I have kept over here. So if you go to my desktop, let's build. So we have this build, right? So we'll copy this here. Okay, due to some reason, I don't know, it is taking a lot of time last time when I was doing it. I don't, it is faster now. So let's wait. Okay, till the time it copies this build. So let's collect what all the commands we need. So let's go to the syntax article and to read this one, put it in the notepad, all the commands which we need. Then we need this one, install.ms. Okay, so it's copying, so it will take maybe 5 minutes, I'm not sure. So let's not waste the time. Let's go to the next topic, which is still load balancing. This is where the actual thing what we are going to do. Okay, let's do the upgrade. So see, I have copied the build. So now I need to open putty. So let's go here. I hope I have putty appliance software over here. Yes. 192.168.181.235. Click accept ns root. Enter the password. We need to go to shell. You need to go to /var. Go to /var/ns install. See, this is nothing but I pointed my putty to this directory which is ns install where I have the build. Okay, so now I need to show what are the files inside ns install. So for that there is a command ls-l. Okay, so it will tell I have a file called this one. So copy this file and now we need to execute this command which is tar -xvz. What it will do, it will basically I know this is in a zipped format. It will unzip this file. Okay, so let's enter tar-xvzf space build. So let's verify zxvf space build. Okay, so now we are going to uh, extract this file, which is this file. Okay, so let's enter. See, it is going to extract as you can see here, right? So let's wait for the extraction. So once extraction is completed, then we need to run the second command, which is the /install ns. Okay, so let it finish the uh, extraction. Guys, I think we need to extend our time, maybe 1 more hour. I hope it is fine with you guys. Just confirm me over the chat, okay? Because the main important concepts still need to cover, such as SSL offloading, GSLB, load balancing. Okay, so now the extraction is completed. So now I'm going to enter the command which I told install ns. So now it is going to do the installation. Okay, not installation, sorry, it will do the upgrade of Netscaler. Uh, so it will ask, do you want to delete the old signature files, etc. Just mention why for everything what it is asking. Okay, so it will take some time. So let's see what is the behavior. See, upgrade is completed. It is asking to reboot. Let's click Y. So now it is rebooting my appliance. So if you see here, if I put up continuous ping 192.168.181.235-T. Say I lost connection. If I refresh, it will also go, I believe. So see, it is not responding because it is rebooted. I lost WinSCP connection as well as I lost PuTTY connections as well. See, everything is gone because my appliance is rebooting. Let's wait for this to complete. See, my Netscaler after upgrading, it is back. So it is pinging. So if I go to my Netscaler and if I refresh my Netscaler, so I should be able to get the page and I should be able to log in. So let's log in here. So guys, so say this is how we are going to upgrade the Netscaler. So now it is upgraded and you can see it is 13.1.42.47. Okay, so this is fine. And I have another appliance, which is my secondary appliance I'm considering. This is also on the same build. Okay. So if I go to the Netscaler and if I check the build, so it is same. So both devices are in same status now in with respect to the build.